Welcome back to my channel. My name is Agata and I'm a model here in Southern California, and today I would like to review a new brand that I found. It's called Ulivary, and let's get to it. So this brand has a lot of variety of lounge silk products. They mainly say robes, and I'm gonna show you one in a second because I already opened it. I was too curious. And they also have lounge dresses and silk dresses and various accessories for around the house. Today I have a case for a pillow. Let me see. Comes in a beautiful box. It's nicely sealed. So let's give it a... I love how they pay a lot of attention for beautiful packaging. Let's take it off. They give you a little story. I love this box. I'm probably gonna reuse it for some storage. Here. Ta-da! All right, so I ordered this pink sleeve for a pillow. Oh, this is how it works. All right, so it's not actually, I like this. This is a very interesting idea. So this silk case is not a slipping case, but you have strings. So you're gonna cover up around your pillow and you can fit it in any size you want. Here, it's very soft. It's a real mulberry silk, if I'm saying it correctly. Oh, love it. Yeah, 100%. So here's a very interesting addition to my other reviews about hair, because you guys know I've been giving you some updates about hair growth, and one of the tricks that I do to keep them growing, I used silk pillows. I have one other one as well right now that I'm using, and it helps with tangling at night. It's, you know, I already sleep in a braid, but this is really helpful for keeping your hair healthy. It's also great for your skin. If you have acne, I don't have acne, but I've heard that you can reduce the amount of acne because of the material that you're sleeping on. So I think this is something, a must-have for your hair growth and your hair care if you wanted to keep it longer like that. And yes, that is it. I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna wash it first, as you always should wash your new clothing and anything related like this. You always should wash on the first use. Okay, let's move on to another item. This is that silk dress that I mentioned. Check this out. I love how they're packaging it. I really like their brand aesthetics. It's really beautiful. And it comes like this. You open in the Velcro. Set it aside. You get a beautiful thank you card. You have their socials. You have some extra coupons after you order. And this is how it delivers. It's like a gift to yourself. All right, let's get this up. I'm going to repurpose all of their packaging. It's just beautiful, and I think the paper is beautiful. I always try to open things without destroying. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of things in there. Alrighty. Okay, those are tags. Here's some information, and it's just in... Whoops, it did fall. Okay, tags. And that is the dress. Wow, I love it. I just appreciate, I love how all their stuff, it's so soft. It's just something you can hang out in all day. here. It's very flowy. If you watch my other video with the robe review, you can see I'm wearing the robe at the beach, and it's windy, you know, and you can see how light it is. So here's that dress. I'm gonna try it on in a second. Here. I'm just gonna change camera setting and I will be right back. Okay, here it is. I'm holding the mic because I don't want to destroy anything on the dress because it's very, very delicate. Hello. It's very, very smooth. I love the touch to it. I'm wearing size small. And I think you should follow your regular size. I think it fits just fine. Let's take a look closer here. It's a nice little, it's loose, it's not like tight anywhere. And here in the back you have like a band that is stretchy, so you know it's gonna fit. I think it's very adjustable, so it's gonna fit everyone. Here it is. Let me try and show you the length. It's super comfortable. Just amazing. Look, desperate times takes desperate measures, okay? Now you can see the whole bottom. This is what happens when you're 5'11" and you're trying to record anything with length. You never fit in the frame. So yes, I think it's very nice. It's very flowy. It's comfortable. And I ended up attaching the microphone because actually it's pretty fine. I want to show you the last item I already opened because I was too curious to see. It's a robe. It's a silk robe. You've probably seen it in my other video on the beach. And I love this robe because you can wear it in various settings and various occasions. Let's try it. Again, I'm just like, I'm in a cloud. It is so comfortable to be in these clothes. You can wear it with this dress too. You can wear it, you know, at home, at evening. It's very light. Summertime is coming, so it's gonna be hot everywhere. It's gonna be hot at night. So I think this is very refreshing to wear it at home. Beautiful. And you can tie it up here from the inside and then go around and you make it tighter like here. And then you grab your other side and you go around and then you tie it up here. And let me just turn the camera down. Okay, let's hope this is gonna do it perfect. Here's the whole view. The robe is long. They have choice of different length of robes. So you can go and pick, I believe the shoulder one is about this length. So I like the long one because whenever I go to a photo shoot, I like to cover myself with something a little longer. And sometimes the studio is very cold, so that really helps. The sleeves are very cute. They're so flowy. I like the oriental style to it. I think it's very classy and elegant. Tell me, what do you think about this brand? I highly recommend it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. You can find these products and shop for all of their accessories under my link in the description. I do get a small commission from the referral, so if you do buy something, I appreciate your support and I thank you for using my link. And yes, I highly recommend the real silk. It's good for your skin, it's great for your hair, and I'm always for supporting independent, smaller brands that are not, you know, commercialized. It's just chain of anything. This brand is putting their thought into their aesthetics, into their designs, and I think it's fantastic to support good quality products that are good for you, and they're gonna last you for a very long time, because I can already tell the quality is great. That's Ulivary. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check their website and my other videos. Thank you so much for support. If you hit the subscribe button and like this video to help the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And I will see you next time.